Good afternoon, students. So students, today we will revise the chapter simple equations. Okay, and we will solve those maths which are in the worksheet, which I have already sent in Google Classroom. So today we will solve some maths from the simple equation. So at first I will give you some equations to solve. So it's 3a. Solve. -4 multiply 2 minus x is equals to 9. Now students, solve it and send me the answer as soon as possible. Solve it and send me the answer, students. Solve. -4 multiply 2 minus x is equals to 9. Solve means you have to find the value of x. So solve it and send me the value of x. So Dipti sent x equals to 1 and Anish sent 4x is equals to 3. So I think 4x is equals to 3 is incorrect. So I must wait for more answer. Sakshi sent x equals to 1. First student send the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Oh, Mehak. Okay, Mehak. You have sent x equals to 1. Anish sent 4x is equals to 15. Okay, so let's check that what is the correct answer. So at first you have to multiply -4 with 2 and -4 with -x. So multiply -4 with 2 is -8 and minus plus 4 into x is 4x is equals to 9. Now we have to transfer -8 to the right hand side, so it will +8. Okay, when we transfer -8 to the right hand side, it will +8. Now 4x, add 9 with 8, so it is 17. So this implies 4x by 4 is equals to 17 by 4, because you have to divide both sides by 4 and it will x is equals to, here you cannot divide 17 and 4 by a common number, so you have to convert it into a mixed fraction because it is a improper fraction. So it should be 4 whole 1 by 4. Okay. So the value of x is 4 whole 1 by 4. Now students, correct your answer. Just check your calculation. There is a mistake, so correct it. Okay. 4 whole 1 by 4 is the right answer. Okay, now solve another one. (34 minus 5 into p minus 1 is equals to 4. 34 minus 5 into p minus 1 is equals to 4. Solve it. That means you have to find the value of p. So find the value of p and send me the answer, students. No Satyajit, you need not to convert it into decimal form. Okay, you better to convert it into mixed fraction because sometimes it is difficult to find in decimal form. So you better to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. Okay, solve the second one, students. First solve it. Okay, some student has sent that p equals to 5. Okay, I must check that it is 5 or not. Okay, Dipti, I can see your answer that you already sent p equals to 5. So need not to send your answer repeatedly. If you said once, then I can see. Need not to send your answer repeatedly. Ashish sent 7. Oh, Anis sent 7. Okay, I must check. Okay, so let's check that it is 5 or 7 because I got two different answer, that 5 and 7, but maximum students send p equals to 5. So I must check that it is 5 or not. So at first you must convert, you must transfer 34 to the right hand side, and also you have to multiply minus 5 with p minus 1. So it should be minus 5p and minus minus plus 5, and 34, when transfer 34 to the right hand side, it should be minus 34. Now calculate it. It is minus 5p and minus 34 and plus 4. It is minus 30. And again transfer plus 5 to the right hand side. So it will minus 5. Now minus 5p is equals to minus 30 minus 5. It should be minus 35. Now minus minus will remove. Now divide both sides by 5. So p is equals to 7. So p is equals to 7 is the right answer, students. Just check your calculation. So Anis has sent that p equals to 7. So Anis is right. But rest of the students, you are sending p equals to 5. That is wrong. So check your calculation. Okay, Yes students, now your answer is right, that is p is equals to 7. So you made some mistakes, so if you have any doubt you can ask me students. You made some mistakes, so that is why if you have any doubt you can ask me, or else I will give you a new problem. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Now I can see that every student has sent that p is equals to 7. Okay, no doubt. So let's continue. So our next problem. Problem number C. 10 is equals to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Now solve it students. 10 is equals to 4 plus 3 multiply t plus 2. Okay, now find the value of t and send me the answer students. So Ayush sent 0 and Satyajit sent 3. Anish sent 0. Dikti sent 3. So I got different answer, that is 0 and 3 that you are sent. So I must check that the answer is 0 or 3. Okay, so let's check that it is 3 or 0. Okay, so I am going to solve it. Saurabh sent t is equals to 0. Okay, I must check. So at first you have to transfer 4 to the left hand side, so it will minus 4 and multiply 3 with t plus 2, so it will 3t plus 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Now 10 minus 4 is 6 and transfer plus 6 to the left hand side, so it will minus 6 is equals to 3t. Okay, now 6 minus 6 is 0, so 0 is equals to 3t. So 0 is equals to 3t, that means 3t is equals to 0. So this implies t is equals to 0 by 3, because we must divide both sides by 3, so it will t is equals to 0. So t is equals to 0 is the right answer students. So those students who are sent 0, it is right, and those students who have sent 3, it is incorrect. So check your calculation students. So you made some mistake, so you must check your calculation that where is your mistake, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay students, so I think you understood. Piyush sent t equals to 3. No Piyush, it is incorrect. So check your calculation. T is equals to 0 is the right answer. So check your calculation. Ashish also made mistake. 3 by 4 is wrong answer. So you must check your calculation. It should be 0. Okay. Now solve the next one. Zero is equals to 16 plus 4 multiply m minus 6. Now find the value of m. Now solve it, students, and send me the answer. So you have to find the value of m. No, Satyajit, 3 by 0 is incorrect. So I have already given a problem, so you must solve it, and you have to find the value of m and send me the answer. I will send 2. Sagar sent 2. Send the answer, students. I am waiting for your answer. So send as soon as possible. Piyush sent 2. Satyajit 2. So maximum student has sent that 2 is the right answer. Okay, let's check that it is 2 or not. So at first you can write this equation like this: 4 multiply m minus 6 plus 16 is equals to 0. Now multiply 4 with m minus 6, so it will 4m minus 24, and transfer plus 16 to the right hand side, it will minus 16. Now again transfer minus 24 to the right hand side, so it will plus 24. Now 4m is equals to, subtract 16 from 24, so it will 8. Now divide both sides by 4, so it will m is equals to 2. So m is equals to 2 is the right answer, students. Okay, so maximum students has sent that x is equals to 2, sorry, m is equals to 2 is the right answer. Okay, very good, students, you have done well. Okay, so solve the next one. I am going to solve question number 1. Write the following statements in the form of equations. So first number is the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So, and 2 number is, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number you get 7. Third number is 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. Okay, and the last one is 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. Now solve all the problems and send me the answer. So write the following statements in the form of equation. So you have to write the statement and form an equation, okay, and send me the answer, students. So 2 number Saurabh has sent problem number 2. Where is 1? Ayush sent that first number is 3x plus 11 is equals to 32. Yes, it is right. It is right that the sum of 3 times x. So 3 times x means 3x. Okay, students. The sum of 3 times x. So 3 times x. 3 times x means 3x, and sum of 3 times x and 11. So sum means plus. So plus 11 is 32. That means the result is 32. So you have to write is equals to 32. So this is the required equation. Okay. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So it should be 3x plus 11 is equals to 32. Now solve the second one. So Piyush sent 6x minus 5 is equals to 7. Problem number 2. Yes, it is right. 6x minus 5 is equals to 7 is right answer. And Satyajit has sent problem number 3, that is m by 4. Satyajit, you made a mistake, that is you have written that 1 by 4m. So 1 by 4m is incorrect. You should write m into 1 by 4 or m by 4. Okay. Okay, so I am solving the second one. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, so if we take the required number be x, let the number be x, therefore 6 times a number, that means 6x. 6 times a number, that means 6x. Subtract 5 from 6 times a number. So you have to subtract 5. So you have to subtract 5 from 6x and you get 7. So that means is equals to 7. So 6x minus 5 is equals to 7. Okay. Now solve the third one. 1/4 of m. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. So 1/4 of m. 1/4 of m means m multiply 1 by 4. Okay. 1/4 of m, that means m into 1 by 4 is equals to, it is 3 more than 7. So that means you have to add 3 with 7. Okay. So m into 1 by 4 is equals to 7 plus 3, or else you can write like this, m by 4 is equals to 10. Okay, or you should write, you need not to calculate it, you should write 7 plus 3. So m by 4 is equals to 7 plus 3 is the right answer. Okay, so some student has said that 1 by 4 multiply m is equals to 3 plus 7. Yes, it is correct. 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7, both are correct. Okay, m by 4 is equals to 7 plus 3 is correct and 3 plus 7 is also correct. Now problem number 4. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. So it is very easy. It is also easy. So some student has already sent that x by 3 plus 5 is 8. Yes students, it is correct. And some student has sent that 1 by 3 multiply x plus 5 is equals to 8. Okay, it is also correct. So students, you have done well. Very good students. Now I am going to solve it. So 1/3 of a number. So let the number be x. So therefore 1/3 of a number. So x multiply 1/3. Okay. Plus 5. So that means you have to add 5 with this is 8. That means the result is 8. So is equals to, you have to write is equals to 8, or else you can write x multiply 1 by 3 means x by 3. I repeat once again that x multiply 1 by 3 means x by 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So both are correct. Okay. So I hope you understood students. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have no doubt, then I will end today's class, and tomorrow again we will discuss about the worksheet from simple equations. So tomorrow we will solve the remaining maths from the worksheet. So students, ask me if you have any doubt, or else I will end today's class. Okay Satyajit, tomorrow I will give you more questions. Okay. So today I have to end the class. Okay, Piyush asked me about blueprint. So blueprint is same as PT1 phase 1. Okay, I was sent the blueprint for phase 1 and it is the same for phase 2. Okay students, so thank you. So tomorrow we must solve the remaining maths from the worksheet. Okay, thank you students.